Okay, I'm back with the hood repair. Well, the bonnet that wouldn't open. I couldn't get my trunk open because, being like a knucklehead, I hooked up a winch to get myself out of the snow from here, and it screwed up this whole piece. So we got it open, and it also broke the rad support over here, which made a little tiny fix. Quick. This one here, a little bit more robust because it's holding together the window washer fluids. Took out this bar, hammered it all down, straightened out the metal, put some black trim clad on it, some anti-rust paint. Got a little bracket for here just to hold the wire from the inside of the cabin to not get lost. Put it all back together, and then I added some redundancy. I just took an aerial cable here and sent it down into the wheel well, so that if this guy should snap again, all I need to do, you can't see that little guy down there? He can open from the inside, and I didn't know that before. You just twist it off, and then I could find this wire, this aerial cable, and fix it. So here's the magic moment. We're gonna test it, see if it works. Otherwise, my hood won't open again. So I'll put the stuff back together afterwards. Oh, I hear a click. Yes, absolutely, it works. Easy fix. Well, not so easy. They quoted me $3,000 at a body shop, so I said, no way, Jose. I'll take care of it. Thanks for listening.